Hi, to send messages on your Google Pixel Watch free, firstly make sure that Google Messages app is installed on your phone and on your watch. Now we need to press this crown to open Apps list, scroll a bit down, and here find Google Messages, which looks like that. Now tap it to open, and after that either select existing chat, or you can tap here to start new chat and choose any contact from your list. I'm gonna tap my friend Manny, and here you can view your conversation. Also, you can send something from those suggested options such as yes, no, okay. Tap on three dots and find more options, even emojis. And you can manually enter something using this keyboard right here. So you can just write down something, tap this arrow, and message will be sent. Also, you can use emojis. So tap on emoji icon, select emoji, and tap this arrow to send it. And you can also use voice input. So tap this middle icon, say something, use either voice message or voice to text, so we can transform our voice into a text, or send voice message. Let's transform voice to text. Say something, tap here, and use this arrow to send this message. And yeah, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.